Good morning, dear students. And now I am giving exercises. And yesterday I have given till fill in the blanks. Yesterday I have given till fill in the blanks, and today I will give true false. Third one, true false. Now come to the first. A fertile soil is rich in humus. True. A fertile soil is rich in humus. True. Sandy soil are best suited for plant growth. False. A clay soil has more proportions of fine particles. True. Capillary water is the water available to the plants for absorption. True. As sandy soil has bigger spaces in between its particles, it holds more water than a clay soil. False. Dark colored soils are rich in organic matter. True. Crop rotation enriches soil fertility. True. Overgrazing is a means of soil conservation. False. Now come to the match the statements. Match the following. Match the following. First one, sandy soil, bigger soil particles. Sandy soil, bigger soil particles. Bigger soil particles. Second one, clay soil, fine soil particles. Clay soil, fine soil particles. Clay soil, fine soil particles. Loamy soil, mixture of fine. Loamy soil, mixture of fine and bigger soil particles. Mixture of fine and bigger soil particles. Mixture of fine and bigger soil particles. Upper layer of soil dark in color. Upper layer of soil dark in color. Upper layer of soil dark in color. First one you can see that sandy soil, bigger soil particles. Clay soil, fine soil particles. Loamy soil, mixture of fine and bigger soil particles, and upper layer of soil dark in color. Now come to the fifth one. Define the following. Fifth one, define the following. Define the following. First one, soil. Write from keywords. Write from keywords. Second one, weathering. Write from keywords. Write from keywords. Soil erosion. Soil erosion. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is removal. Soil erosion is removal of topsoil. Removal of topsoil. This is brought about by wind, water and rain, wind, water and rain, wind, water and rain. Loam, fourth one, loam, loam from keywords you have to write, loam you have to write from keywords. Fifth one, soil texture, soil texture. The term soil texture is used to describe, the term soil texture is used to describe, the term soil texture is used to describe the relative proportion, the relative proportion of different sized particles in soil, particles in soil, humus, humus. Humus is found, humus is found at or near the soil surface. It is formed from the remains of, it is formed from the remains of dead plants and animals, remains of dead plants and animals, remains of dead plants and animals. Humus is thus nothing but non-living organic matter. More the humus in the soil, more fertile it is. More humus in the soil, more fertile it is. More fertile it is. So soil you have to write from keywords, weathering also you have to write from keywords. Soil erosion, soil erosion is removal of topsoil, thus this is brought about by wind, water and rain. Loam you have to write from keywords. Soil texture, the term soil texture is used to describe the relative proportion of different sized particles in soil. Humus, humus is found at or near the soil surface, it is formed from the remains of dead plants and animals. More humus in the soil, more fertile it is. Now come to the name the following. Sixth one, name the following. Sixth one, name the following. Name the following. First one, second one, third one. Name the following. First one, types of soil used for making pottery. Black soil, black soil. Type of soil used for making pottery, black soil. Collecting name for layers of soil, soil profile. Collective name for layers of soil, soil profile, soil profile. Decomposed organic matter which makes soil fertile, humus. Again you can see, name the following. Sixth one, type of soil used for making pottery, black soil. And collecting name for layers of soil, soil profile. And decomposed organic matter which makes soil fertile, humus. So I have given till sixth. Name the following, you have to write in copy. Today I have given true false, match the following, define the following, name the following, and till here you have to write in your copy. Only question answer is remaining, and next day I will tell answer the following.